Ever wondered how top e-commerce brands consistently launch winning products and viral ads? The secret often lies in the tools they use. Today we're diving into Pipiads, the all-in-one ad spy platform that's transforming how marketers approach TikTok and Facebook advertising. Pipiads is a comprehensive advertising intelligence tool designed for e-commerce marketers, dropshippers, and advertisers. With access to over 50 million ads across TikTok and Facebook, it offers insights into ad creatives, performance metrics, and trending products, helping you stay ahead of the competition. Let's explore some standout features of Pipiads' extensive ad library. Browse through a vast collection of ads across various niches and regions, providing inspiration and competitive insights. Advanced search filters refine your search by keywords, engagement metrics, countries, and more to find the most relevant ads for your strategy. Winning product discovery. Identify trending products with high engagement, helping you make informed decisions on what to sell. Advertiser analysis. Gain insights into competitor strategies by analyzing their ad creatives, frequency, and performance. TikTok Shop integration. Explore top-performing products in stores within the TikTok Shop ecosystem, offering a direct look into successful e-commerce ventures. Pipiads isn't just about TikTok. Its Facebook Ads Spy tool allows you to analyze competitor ads, understand what's working in your niche by studying successful Facebook ad campaigns, discover market opportunities, identify gaps in the market, and capitalize on emerging trends. Optimize your campaigns. Use insights to refine your ad creatives, targeting, and overall strategy.
Pipiads has streamlined my product research process. I can quickly find high-performing ads and adapt them to my campaigns.
The depth of data available is impressive. It's like having a backstage pass to the most successful advertising strategies.
Pipiads offers a free trial, allowing you to explore its features before committing. For those ready to dive deeper, premium plans provide full access to its extensive database and advanced tools. In the fast-paced world of digital advertising, staying ahead requires the right tools. Pipiads equips you with the insights and data needed to create compelling ads and discover products that resonate with your audience. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, it's a resource worth considering. Ready to elevate your marketing game? Explore Pipiads and unlock the potential of data-driven advertising. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the tools that can transform your e-commerce journey.